Hey everyone, we're back again with another authentic Thai recipe direct from our restaurant kitchen in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Today we're cooking Pat Ma Ma. You might know instant ramen as a late night shortcut, but in Thailand we turn it into something better. Pat Ma Ma, a quick, lightly seasoned stir fry with egg, sliced meat, and a little vegetable. No chili here. This one's mild and comforting. Everything good about a simple noodle dish, made fast with 2 easy-to-find packs of plain ramen noodles. While you think about how delicious this looks, let me tell you how simple the ingredient list really is. We're using about 100 grams of sliced pork, but you can use chicken if you prefer. 1 raw egg, about 1 cup of Kana. Kana is similar to Hong Kong kale or broccoli leaves. You can use any kind of kale. 2 packs of dry ramen noodles, 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of diced onion, 1 tablespoon of sliced carrot, 1 tablespoon of sliced baby corn, 1 tablespoon of sliced green onion, 2 teaspoons of Thai light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of Thai dark soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Okay, now we have our ingredient list, so let's get started. First, you'll need to boil your noodles. Cook them just until they're barely softened, but not mushy. Remove the noodles from the water and drain well. Start with a clean pan. Preheat it, then add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add your meat and fry in the oil until well browned. Turn the meat and continue frying. Add chopped garlic, onion, and an egg. Let the egg fry without stirring until quite firm. Add carrot and corn. Stir a little and continue frying. Add the light soy sauce and sugar. Stir a little more and scrape the brown egg from the bottom of the pan. The egg should be pieces of egg, not scrambled and mixed in. Add the cooked ramen noodles, Kana, and dark soy sauce. Stir and toss into the sauce carefully so you don't break or chop up the noodles. Continue tossing until well coated with the seasonings. Scrape the bottom of the pan some more to get everything well mixed in. Add the green onion and continue tossing. Then turn off the heat. Serve immediately on 2 plates or 1 big plate for sharing. Don't forget that you can now book private cooking lessons with our chef in Thailand on either Zoom, FaceTime, or in person at our location in Chiang Mai. Visit chiangmaicookingschool.com for more info. If you love Thai food but still have trouble saying the names of your favorite dishes, why not give ActiveThai.com a try? At ActiveThai, you can learn to read, write, and speak Thai. Try it out today for free. Our contact information, websites, social medias, and complete recipe library are available online. Just follow the links in the video description below. Thank you and enjoy!